Have you ever pondered the thought, who governs the sky? As drone technology advances, the question of who controls our airspace becomes increasingly significant. Today, we'll dive into the complex world of drone laws, exploring how different countries regulate these high-flying gadgets. In the United States, the Federal Aviation Administration, or the FAA, regulates all aspects of civil aviation. This includes drones. For drones weighing between half a pound and 55 pounds, the FAA requires registration. Recreational flyers must adhere to community-based guidelines, while commercial operators need a remote pilot certificate. Intriguingly, the FAA doesn't control all the airspace. Below 400 feet, property owners may have some rights, creating a complex patchwork of control. Across the Atlantic, the European Union takes a slightly different approach. The European Union Aviation Safety Agency categorizes drones into 3 operational categories: open, specific, and certified. Each category has its own set of requirements, ranging from no permit needed for the open category to stringent regulations for the certified category. Then we have China, a powerhouse in drone manufacturing. In China, all drones weighing more than 250 grams require registration with the Civil Aviation Administration of China. What's interesting is that China has some of the strictest drone laws, prohibiting flying in urban areas and near airports without permission. In contrast, Canada's laws are less stringent. Transport Canada divides drones into 2 categories: basic and advanced. Basic operations are those that take place in rural areas away from people, while advanced operations occur near people or in controlled airspace. However, all drone pilots must pass an online exam and register their drones. Australia, on the other hand, has a more relaxed approach to drones. The Civil Aviation Safety Authority doesn't require registration for recreational drones. However, commercial drones weighing more than 2 kilograms need to be registered, and the pilot must hold a remote pilot license. So, what did we learn today? Drone laws differ greatly from one country to another. The United States uses a weight-based system, while the European Union categorizes operations. China enforces strict regulations, especially in urban areas, while Canada divides operations into basic and advanced. Australia seems more relaxed, especially for recreational drones. But the common thread: all these countries recognize the need to regulate drone usage to ensure safety and privacy. As drone technology continues to evolve, we can expect these laws to change and adapt. So keep an eye on the sky and the law. And remember, while drones offer incredible opportunities, they must be used responsibly.